Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll tell you the difference between noise cancellation and in this video I'll tell you the difference between noise cancelling and transparency on AirPods. Like there you can see it is in transparency. That means it uses the same microphone to pick up surrounding and pipe them directly into your ears, mix them. That means it is using the same microphone to pick up surrounding and sound and pipes them directly into your ears, mixing them with your music. And there you can see noise cancellation. That means microphone detects external sounds and generate anti-noise to cancel them out before they reach your ears. That is the difference between this active noise cancellation and transparency. I hope this video cleared you out, and thank you for watching.